everyone, welcome to my channel Just Grow. Hope all of you are doing really well and preparing really hard for your upcoming examinations. So, uh, for those who doesn't know me, I'm a research scholar. That is, I'm currently doing PhD in life science. So, yeah. Uh, Talking about CSN NET exam. So, though I am doing PhD, but I don't have NET. Actually, for doing PhD, you don't require NET, JRF, or kind of like that. But some of the universities they conduct their own exam. If you qualify that exam, you will get your PhD seat. So, though I don't have any kind of NET, LS or GRF, but I did qualify that particular exam, RET exam, and I'm here now doing PhD. So, talking about this, uh, our CSI NET December 2024, that exam is going to be conducted on the month of March, on 1st March. So we have uh, we have at least 1 month for this exam. Actually, I'm not focusing on GRF, clearing GRF, but LS, because I know if I'll just aim at get cracking the GRF, and if I'll not get that, I may become very depressed. Like in my previous attempt also, but due to some reason, I left preparing for NET, and after that, I started preparing for other government jobs. So that's how I started preparing for NET, and it's like I started from the beginning, like from fresh, full fresh. So yeah, I'm just focusing on few units only for qualifying LS, because it's like I have realized that I'm not getting enough time for studying anymore, because uh, in PhD you have to do several works together, and our body also needs rest for that. If you like, I came around left 11 o'clock, like 10 to 11, and go to my room around like 8 to 9, someday maybe earlier. So it becomes very difficult for me to make up the time. That's why, being a realistic person, I set this target for LS only. And after that, on 23rd of March, I'll be having I'll be giving my slate examination. That is just because I'm from Assam. Uh, I'll be able to give that slate. Actually, you can also give that exam, because one of my friend, he's from Uttar Pradesh. He also applied for this examination. So you have to see the criteria. Maybe he can only apply for slate if those she's having some quota like SC, ST or OBC, but she can only give in that general category or something like that. I've I've not gone through the like whole thing. You can just Google it, क्या होता है स्लेट एग्ज़ाम, अगर आप अलग स्टेट से भी हो, लाइक अदर देन द नॉर्थ स्टेट्स, इफ़ यू कैन गिव दैट एग्ज़ाम और नॉट. So yeah, and yeah, one of the girl uh, asked me one question regarding my book list or something. So what are the sources I am following currently? So actually, uh, I was very confused कि कौन सा वाला book I should follow, or like that. That's why, from IFAS. Uh, they give around, I forgot the number of books, but plenty amount of books, like I think 14, 17 or something, I forgot. Okay, uh, but 13 plus books they give, and where they have covered the all things, like from 13 units. Each book is one unit. Unit means, sorry, one module. Then they have MCQ book, then previous year solved book, then for applied biology I think they have one extra book, like for the question answer solving. So currently I don't have all the books in my lab, but I have one book, so I'll show you. So yes, the entire set cost me around 6,000 something. I forgot the amount, but yeah, 6,000. It's around 6,000, and these are the books. And I have Pathfinder ka book also, but I'm not following those things now, because my strategy is very clear. I'll be I'll be just focusing, reading few books, like once one resource for one unit only, or one or two, something like that, but not more than that, because ultimately it's all about revision. And around, what should I say? Yeah. And for few chapter units, like जैसे कि ecological principles and evolutionary biology, I'll be following unacademic notes, because like earlier I took 3 month subscription of an academy, so I have uh, I have those notes along with me, so I'll be following that, because uh, already for I think twice or thrice I have gone through those notes, and those are really good. But yeah, some additional things you should like read from the other books. Those are the things. So these are the book list uh, for my passion. And other than that, if you want me to uh, share share about my strategy for this exam, though I have not qualified that exam. If you really want to know about that, you can just comment out below. I'll share 1 month strategy with you, and if you like it you can follow also, because see, you can consider me as a beginner, because it's a long back. I have studied life science, and like recently only I started preparing for this exam once again. So it's like I'm a very fresher. Do I have experience of giving that exam, or I prepared, but it's like huge, like 1 year ka gap I have. So yeah, and um I would like to say, if you really want to know about my strategy, you can just comment down below, and that's it for the video. And I'll be sharing vlogs with you very soon. And bye bye. Study hard.